Hi guys, so let's start once again with the doubts which were left yesterday. Okay, so there were a lot, so I've just written some. Just joking, guys, I've written all. Okay, except two. One was a repetitive, which I'm going to again give you as homework because almost same kind of question यहाँ पर है. And another which is going to be pretty long, so I don't know whether that 30 limit part is going to get over or not. So without saying much and doing more, let's start. So guys, question number 48 से start करते हैं as usual because there are certain big bigger question over there. Question number 48. It's an NCERT textbook question. It is also over there in state board textbook. 200 logs are stacked, 20 in bottom. Logs का मतलब जो लकड़ियाँ होती हैं राउंड एंड राउंड, उनको अपने लॉग को अपने इकट्ठा करके रखा हुआ है. Are stacked 20 in bottom. So base में 20 है, then 19, then 18, then 17, then 16, and something like this. So without wasting time, guys, let's start with question number 48. So A should be equals to, what is that, 20. Sum of the numbers, total is 200 because total 200 logs hai. Then D should be equals to -1 because 20 है पहले, फिर है 19, so B की वैल्यू हो जाएगी 19. So D should be equals to B minus A, that means 19 minus 20 is -1. Sn is 200. So let's now do this. So Sn की जगह पर मैंने फॉर्मूला रखा, Sn should be equals to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, which is the sum of the terms. Sn की जगह पर मैंने वैल्यू रखा 200. It should be equals to n by 2 bracket 2a, 2 into 20 is 40 plus n minus 1, which comes out as n minus 1 because I don't know what is n. Then d is -1. 2 into 200 comes out as, guys, 400. It should be equals to n bracket 40 minus 1 into n is minus n, minus 1 into minus 1 comes out as +1. Then comes pardon me, 400. It should be equals to n bracket 40 plus 1 is 41 minus n, or 400 should be equals to 41n minus n square. I'm simply removing the brackets, doing nothing at all because I don't do anything at all. Now let's bring each and everything to the left hand side, guys, to make it into a standard form of quadratic equation. So this will become something like this, that is n square. 41n will go over there, it will become minus 41n. Then comes plus 400, it should be equals to what? 0. I'm sorry, bad throat. Don't worry, it's not COVID. Okay, so आजकल सबको बड़ा डर लगता है कोविड से. खैर, so n square minus 41n plus 400. So guys, I'm going to do it by quadratic method. So a should be equals to 1, b should be equals to minus 41. You can term it as a1, b1, and then, guys, c1 should be equals to 400. So formula होता है x is equals to, और n should be equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Guys, I would again require the space, so I'm gonna rub it off. ये टॉप रो को हटा देता हूँ. Okay, oh, that was the question anyway. So n should be equals to minus b is minus 41, so 41 plus minus under root of b square. What is b square? B square is 41. 41 का square should come out as 1681. So don't be overconfident, Gautam. Let's check. 41 into 41 is 1446. It's 1681, guys. So 1681 minus 4 into a is 4 into 4 is 1600. You can do it by factorization also. I was getting very bored with the factorization. 2 into a is 2. So it should be equals to 41 plus minus 1681 minus 1600 is 81 by 2, or it should be equals to 41 plus minus 81 ka square root, guys, it comes out to 9. So it will be 41 plus minus 9 by 2. Then, guys, or 41 plus 9 is 50 by 2, which comes out as 25, and 41 minus 9. 41 minus 9 is 32, I guess. 32 plus 9 is 41, yes, 32. So, or 25 or 32 by 2 comes out as 16. So either the number n is 25 or the number n can be 16. 41 plus 9 is 50. On 2 is 25 and 41 minus 9 is 32.2 is. So either it's 25 or it is 16. But then which one is right and which one is not? How do we come to know? Okay, so let's check. Also they are saying number of rows, how many in the top row? So guys, first of all 25 है and 16 दो numbers आ रहे हैं हमारे पास में SN के लिए. So let's check कि top notch row में A यदि मैं 25 के अंदर रखता हूँ तो क्या आएगा और 16 में रखता हूँ तो क्या आएगा. So let's check guys. AN का formula होता है because I need to find out how many in the top row. So AN should be equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A 25 करूँगा तो ये हो जाएगा A plus 24D और A की जगह पर आ जाएगा 20 plus 24. What is 24? 24 is 24 guys. 24 into D is minus 1, so it is going to be minus 24. Common sense guys, you cannot have minus 4 logs at the top guys for sure. So then let's see the part of 16. So A16 should be equals to A plus 16, A plus 15D, A is 20, 15 into minus 1 is minus 15, so it should be equals to 5. So guys, on the top notch row, you will be having 5 logs at the top. So that's how you are going to do the question. Guys, hopefully you are able to understand this. लॉग का मतलब सिंपल, उन्होंने नीचे के तरफ में बेस में 20 लॉग रखे हैं, फिर उसके ऊपर 19, फिर वो ऐसे कोन टाइप के फॉर्म में बनता जा रहा है. एंड नाउ दे आर आस्किंग हाउ मेनी लॉग कैन बी प्लेस्ड एट द टॉप. ओके, लाइक दिस. सो लेट्स रब इट नाउ. शुड आई रब इट? ऑफ कोर्स आई रब इट. Okay, what's that? Okay, so let's rub this too. Where is that question going? Okay, this is the question. Okay, now, so question number 48 is gone, so I'm rubbing this question off. So question number 48 is gone. Question number now 43. 2-digit numbers which should be greater than 50. It's not 750, it's greater than 50. Okay, they are asking you 2-digit numbers which should be greater than 50, which when divided by 7 leave remainder of 4. मैं ये लिखना भूल गया कि इसके अंदर सम था या नंबर्स फाइंड करने थे. क्या लेट्स, हाउ मेनी 2-digit numbers which are greater than 50. Okay, how many 2-digit numbers which are greater than 50, which when divided by 7 leave remainder 4. Okay, so इन्होंने बोला है कि 2-digit numbers है. सबसे पहले smallest 2-digit number लेते हैं which is 10. 10 को 7 से डिवाइड करते हैं गाइस एंड रिमाइंडर 4 बचना चाहिए. 7 और 7, सो इट्स 3 बच रहा है. सो लेट्स टेक 11 देन. 7 on the 7 and the remainder is 4. So we have got the smallest number which is A. So what is A? A should be equals to 11. So 43rd क्वेश्चन के अंदर जो मेरी A की वैल्यू आएगी that is 11. करेक्ट. नाउ अब इन्होंने बोला डिवाइडेड बाय 7, तो इसका मतलब 7 का डिफरेंस आएगा. सो नेक्स्ट टर्म इज गोइंग टू बी 18. बट गाइस वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट. लेट्स चेक वंस अगेन. बेहतर 18 को डिवाइड करूंगा 7 से, तो 7 to the 14 रिमाइंडर 4 बचता है क्या? ऑफ कोर्स यस. सो दैट मींस द सेकंड टर्म इज 18. ओके, सो लेट्स रब दिस ऑफ आल्सो. सो डी की वैल्यू आ जाएगी गाइस 7 आपके पास में. 2-digit numbers which when divided by 7 leave remainder 4. Okay, what could be the last number? The last 2-digit number is 99. Let's check. 99 को 7 से डिवाइड करता हूँ. 7 1 the 7, 2 29, 7 4 the 28. It will remainder be as 1. So इसमें रिमाइंडर बच रहा है 1, बट मुझे रिमाइंडर चाहिए 7. So इसका मतलब यदि मैं 98 लूँगा, so the remainder will be 0 and then 7 minus, so 98 minus 7 is 91. but 13 के डिवाइड में 91 तो आता है. 98, no, it should be, I require 4 as the remainder. So 99 plus 3 और करूँगा, then it comes out as 102. Let's check with 102. I know it is not a 2-digit number. 7 1s are 7, 3 32, 7 4s are 28 and yes the remainder is 4. So guys ये मैं actually मैंने इसलिए किया because अब मैं 102 में से 7 माइनस कर दूंगा तो I'll get the number. So 102 minus 7 will be 95 guys. So let's do this and let's check what is the last number within a 2-digit number. So it should be 95. So let's check 7 1 times 7 2 25 7 3 is 21 and the remainder is 4. So that means the number is 95. So my L or the A nth term is 95. So my fault, sorry. So A n should be equals to L should be equals to 95. Okay, now you have already got guys how many numbers are going to be over there. So let's check 95. Oh, sorry. Formula is A n should be equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. A n should be equals to guys 95. A should be 11 plus n minus 1 into D comes out as 7. 11 वहाँ पर जाएगा 95 minus 11 would come out as 84 guys. Hopefully I'm not too fast. Are you getting this? Are you getting this? You must be getting this. 84 divided by 7 guys, because the 7 will go over there, it will become n minus 1. 1 7 7 2 is 14 guys. 12 should be equals to n minus 1 or 13 should be equals to n. So how many numbers are over there? 2-digit number which should be greater than 50. Guys, crux. It cannot be, A cannot be 11. They are saying the 2-digit number should be greater than 50. Holy. So guys, 50 को divide करते हैं 7 से. 7 7s are 49, which is 1 again. So okay, 51 will get 2, 52 will get 3, and 53. So let's now divide 53. So 7, 53. 7 7s are 49, so it is 4. So guys, we have done a mistake because मैंने सोचा कि 2-digit number था, but it should be greater than 50. So इसका मतलब है यहाँ पर number कौन सा आएगा? 53, because 7 times 7 is 49 plus 4 is 53. So A is 53, so let's write 53 over here. That means we have to rub everything. That's sad. That's what happens when you go in overconfidence, guys. See, even a teacher can go wrong. So AN is 95 minus 53 should be equals to n minus 1 multiplied by 7. 5 minus 3 comes out as 2, 9 minus 5 is 4 by 7 should be equals to n minus 1. 6 should be equals to n minus 1 or n should be equals to 7. So your answer is 7 guys for this. So there are 7 2-digit numbers which are greater than 50 and less than 99 of course, which will be divided by 7 and will leave remainder as 4. You can check it also. Okay, so that's done. Next पर आते हैं guys. I'm purposely going a bit faster so that would take up each and every question because again post 30 minutes there's an issue. Now so question number 38 comes out guys. So 38 they are saying minus 6 minus 11 by 2 minus 5 and Sn is given to you, so you need to find out n. So what is A? A should be equals to minus 6. What is B? B should be equals to minus 11 by 2. What is n? Oh my fault. What is D? D should be equals to B minus A. That means minus 11 by 2 minus minus 6 minus 11 by 2 minus minus 6. Guys, now common sense ध्यान रखना. Minus 11 by 2 दिमाग में कर लेना पहले ही. It's a trick. Minus 11 by 2 is minus 5.5. Minus 5.5 plus 6. 6 minus 5.5 is going to be 0.5. That means it is going to be half. Again repeating. 5.5 minus 5.5 plus 6. 6 minus 5.5 is 0.5. 0.5 का मतलब half होता है. तो D की value आ गई. You don't need to do the LCM. Okay, now Sn is minus 25. So guys, Sn should be equals to minus 25. Now what do you need to do? I don't know. Do you know? Let's see. So guys, Sn is minus 25. So let's apply the formula of Sn. Sn is equals to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is minus 25. It should be equals to n by 2. Bracket 2a, what is 2a? 2a is 2a, 2 into a is minus 12, plus n minus 1 into d is 1 by 2. Now that's a tricky question, guys. So 2 into minus 25 cross multiplication, I'll get minus 50 should be equals to n bracket minus 12 plus, okay, so this is going to be n by 2 minus 1 by 2, correct? Let's multiply, or let's first of all solve this. So it is going to be minus 50 should be equals to n bracket minus 12 minus 1 by 2. So minus 12 minus 1 by 2 minus 24 minus 1 is minus 25 by 2. So it is going to be n by 2 minus 25 by 2. करेक्ट? मैंने केवल इन दोनों नंबर का एलसीएम लिया है. सो दिस इज दिस. नाउ ये बाई टू है, तो लेट्स टेक आउट बाई टू कॉमन आउटसाइड एंड देन मल्टीप्लाई इट विद दिस. सो इट विल बिकम माइनस 50. इट शुड बी इक्वल्स टू n by 2 ब्रैकेट n minus 25. 2 will go over there, it will become minus 100 should be equals to n square minus 25n, or n square minus 25n plus 100 should be equals to 0. Right? Now 25 के factors ideally तो कुछ होते नहीं हैं, but let's see. So it's minus b minus 25 is plus 25. 25 plus minus under root of b square minus 4 into a into c minus 400. अच्छा 100 के फैक्टर्स निकालने थे. Upon 2a is 2. So when you are going to solve it, it is going to be 25 plus minus, this is under root of 225 by 2. Under root of 225 is 15. So it is going to be 25 plus minus 15 by 2, or it will be having two answers. So 25 plus 15 is 40 by 2 is 20, or 25 minus 15 is, guys, 10. 10 by 2 comes out as 5. So either the answer is 20 or the answer is 5. Okay. Now, okay. So they are saying the number of terms, so number of terms is either 20 or it's either 5. You can once again, guys, see an वाले part से आप check कर सकते हो क्या आएगा, but I guess नहीं आएगा. So that's all is the answer, guys. Okay, next पर आते हैं, guys, question. Let's see question number 27. Guys, are you getting this? Hopefully. I have not applied actually anything. I am only applying the basic formula. That's all. I'm not doing anything at all. So let's rub it. Okay. So let's rub this question number 38. I really doubt that today also we are going to solve this. Okay. Then comes question number 27. Once, guys, it's the same question again. So question number 27 is you need to find out the number of terms. So n आपको find करना है. a की वैल्यू आपको दे करके रखा है 18. d is 15 minus 18 comes out as minus 3. Second term is 15. And Sn आपको दे करके रखा हुआ है which is 45. Guys, it's absolutely the same question. Why have I written this? So Sn is equals to n by 2 bracket, what is the formula? It is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then comes Sn is 45. It should be equals to n by 2 bracket 2 into a comes out as 36 plus n minus 1 is n minus 1 into what is d? D is minus 3. Then it is going to be 90. It should be equals to n bracket 36. Minus 3 into n is minus 3, n minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. So 90 should be equals to 36 plus 3 is 39. So 39n minus 3n square. Let's bring everything over there. And guys, can we take out something common from this? Of course, yes we can. 3 को common निकाल दो. So 90 should be equals to 3 common. यहाँ पर 13n minus n square. 3 ones are 3, 30 times. So I am now bringing each and everything over there. So n square minus 13n plus 30 equals to 0. Common sense guys, factors are 10 and 3. It can be seen over here. So n square minus 10n minus 3n plus 30 should be equals to 0. Taking out n common, so n minus 10 minus 3 common, so n minus 10. It should be equals to 0. Or guys, n minus 3 and n minus 10. Or guys, n should be equals to 3 or n should be equals to 10. So there are always going to be two numbers in quadratic equation, and it's going to be 3 or 10. Now guys, if I do this, number is 3 है, so 18 plus 12 comes out as 30 plus 15 is also 45. And if I keep on decreasing them, and यदि मैं 10 तक लेके जाऊंगा तो आपको लगेगा सर लेकिन ये माइनस में कैसे आएगा, मतलब 45 कैसे आएगा. गाइस रिमेंबर दैट थोड़ी देर के बाद में ये नंबर माइनस में भी आना चालू हो जाता है, तो जब आप ऐड करोगे तो माइट बी दैट नंबर इज 45. ओके, I mean you can check this, I mean you have to check this. Okay, so let's rub this off. So again I have not done anything at all, I have only applied the formula guys. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's see question number 25. It's a piece of cake question guys. Sn is equals to 5n square by 2 plus 3n by 2. Find its 20th term. सबसे पहले आप S1 निकालोगे. So wherever you are going to find n, substitute 1 over there. So जब मैंने 1 रखा तो एक क्वेश्चन बन जाएगा 5 into 1 square by 2 plus 3 into 1 by 2. 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2. दोनों के बेस सेम है, सिंपली ऐड कर देना. सो 8 by 2 comes out as 4. Let's now do S2. So S2 5 bracket 2 square by 2 plus 3 bracket 2 by 2 should be equal to 5 into 4 is 20 by 2 comes out as 10 plus 2 and 2 cancel and it's going to be guys 3 which is going to be 13. Right, let's find out S3 again. S3 should be equals to 5 bracket 3 square by 2 plus 3 into 3 by 2. 9 into 5 is 45 by 2. 9 by 2. So 45 plus 9 comes out as 54. So 54 by 2 is 27. Okay. Now, so there are these terms, that is 4, 13 and 27. Now you need to find out the 20th term, but the problem is they are S1, S2 and S3. How will you find out the first term? First term is 4 because S1 का मतलब ही A होता है. So A should be equals to S1 should be equals to 4. How will you find out B? B can be found out by S2 minus S1. याद है पहले दिन formula Sn minus 1. So S2 minus S1. So what is S2? 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4 comes out as 9. Got it? So ये आ चुका है आपका first term, ये आ चुका है आपका second term. And now guys, it's common sense. What is D? D should be equals to B minus A, which should be equals to 9 minus 4, which comes out as 5. So D की वैल्यू आ चुकी है आपके पास में 5. Now 20th term. So A 20th term should be equals to A plus 19D. What is A? A is A, which is 4 plus 19. What is D? Is 5. So 19 5s are 95. 95 plus 4 comes out as 99. So answer is that this term is 99th. Okay, that's all. ये A20 A plus 19D कैसे आया? A plus N minus 1D. It's simple. I know I'm going a bit too fast, but guys can't help it because there are a lot of questions being written on the board and every single day you guys pop in with a new question, which is very good. I really like when you ask doubts. Keep on asking doubts, don't stop with the part of doubts. Okay, so let us see. Now, so question number 25th is gone. So let's start with question number 18th now. So question number 18 says S51 you need to find it out. Okay, S51 that means ये find करना है हमें. So n की वैल्यू इसमें 51 है. अब इन्होंने बोला है whose second term is 2. मतलब वो सीरीज की सेकेंड टर्म 2 है, सेकेंड टर्म का मतलब क्या होता है, a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी, दिस इज योर फॉर्मूला ऑफ an. उन्होंने बोला है सेकेंड टर्म इज 2, तो a2 सेकेंड टर्म is a plus 2 minus 1 d is d, correct? So that means they are saying a plus d should be equals to 2, which is your equation number 1. And they are saying fourth term is 8, a plus 3d should be equals to 8. Can you understand why? Because fourth term is a plus 3d. Let's do the linear equation in two variables, subtraction, same signs, minus, 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 sign change. D minus 3d is minus 2d, 2 minus 8 comes out as minus 6, and d should be equals to 3. Once your d comes out as 3, substituting back, don't make these arrow like Ram Lakshman Bhagwan ने जिसे बनाए थे वैसे मत बना देना. Right, substituting the value of d in equation number 1, so you will get a plus 3 equals to 2, or a equals to 2 minus 3 comes out as minus 1. Voila, we have done it. So a की value -1, d की value 3. You need to find out S51. So S51 should be equals to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1, मतलब 51 minus 1 is 50, and into d is 3. So let's solve it. So this is going to be 51 by 2 in bracket minus 2 plus 150. 150 minus 2 comes out as 148. So let's solve it. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 8. So 72 into 51. 2, 14, cross, 0, 1, 35, 36, 6, 3, 2, 4, 7 and 3. And you have got the answer as 3, 7, 4, 2. And that's all it's done too. So आपको केवल क्वेश्चन पे ध्यान देना है. क्वेश्चन में लिखा था वो सेकेंड टर्म इज 2. गाइस फर्स्ट टर्म का मतलब a होता है, सेकेंड टर्म का मतलब a प्लस डी, थर्ड टर्म का मतलब a प्लस 2d, फोर्थ टर्म का मतलब a प्लस 3d, and you can sing this poem continuously. So let us start now with question number 17, guys. So let's start with question number 17. And I've got this bad thing, जब भी मैं अपने classes लेता हूँ, as in the normal classroom classes, I keep on changing my tone. It gives that fun part to maths, you know. Otherwise the lecture becomes so boring. यदि मैं ही आपकी जगह पर हूँ तो मैं सो जाऊँ खुद का lecture देखते देखते. Anyway, so question number 17, guys. Sum of all the 3-digit natural numbers, perfect. Sum of all the 3-digit natural numbers divisible by 13. Okay. So 13 7s is 91. I know the table. 13 8s is 104. I'll just divide it for you. So 104 divided by 13. Guys, common sense table ही होगा. So I know the part, guys. 13 into 8 is 104. 24 4 2 104. This is just to make you see that. Okay, so it's 104. Now the first number is 104, which is the smallest 3-digit number which can be divided by 13. But the problem is the largest number वो कौन सा होगा? As usual, the same trick. Largest 3-digit number is 999. Let's try and divide this by 13. 13 by the 65. 13 4 the 52. 13 7 is 91. I just said, and I have got 8 cross 9, 13 6 38 1 6 7. Okay, fine. 9 minus 8 is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. So there is this 11 remainder. इसका मतलब यदि मैंने 998 किया या 999 minus 1 11 ही कर देता हूँ डायरेक्टली. So 999 minus 11 comes out as 889. So let's try and do 988 and let's check. Let's not be overconfident. 13 7s is 91, which comes out as 7. I just got the random voice, that's all, guys. Okay, so no, I'm not scared. 8 minus 1 is 7 and 9 minus 9 comes out as 0. And then comes the word 8. 13 6 is 78. So perfect, guys. So 988 is the largest 3-digit number. Why? because if I'm going to add 988 plus 13, it's going to cross 1000, which is going to be a 4-digit number. So 988 के आगे मैं नहीं जा सकता. So last number is 988. Remember guys, 988. So what was the last number? It was 988. और इसी को हम लोग AN भी बोलते हैं. And guys, common difference, common sense हर एक का 13 का ही होगा because 13 का टेबल चल रहा है. Let's see once again. So AN is equals to A plus N minus, N minus 1 into D. Why are we doing this with formula? Because first of all we need to find out the N and then we are going to substitute it back into the formula of Sn because हमें sum निकालना है. So AN is, where is AN gone? 988 should be equals to 104 plus N minus 1. What is N minus 1? I don't know. What is D? It's 13. 104 will go over there. 8 minus 4 will be 4. 8 minus 0 will be 8. 9 minus 1 will be 8. Upon 13 will get divided. So it is N minus 1. 13 was the 13. 13. 6 are 78. 10, 104. 13. 8 is the 104. So N should be equals to 69 guys. Why? Because minus 1 will go over there. It will become plus. So N should be equal to 69. And that's all. That's not all. Why? Because once again, there is a sum. So that means that you need to find out S69, which should be equals to 69 by 2, bracket, N by 2, bracket 2A. What is 2A? Guys, trust me, there's somebody. So 2A, where is 2A? 2 into 4 is 8. So 208, 2A. Plus N minus 1, 69 minus 1 is 68 into D, D is 30. Guys, do not cut this. So let's see 68 into 13 kitna hoga. So 3, 8 is 24, 4, 2, 2, 0, then 8, then 6, then 4, 8, 8. So it's 884. So it's 69 by 2, bracket 208. Plus 884. Okay, then comes at 69 by 2. 8 plus 4 is 12. 1, 9. 8 and 2 is 10. 1092. 2 ones are 2. 2 fives are 10. 2 4 times 8. 2 6 are 12. So 546 into 69 और करना पड़ेगा. Wow, fantastic. 54, 4, 5, 9 4 is 36 plus 5 41, 1, 4, 45 4 49, 36 6, then 3, 24 and 3 27, 7, then 2, 30 32. So it's guys 4, 7, 9 and 7 16, 6, carry 1, 4 and 5 6 7. Guys, pardon me if I've done somewhere some mistake, okay? 3 7 6 7 4. So answer is 3 7 6 7 4. So that's going to be the sum of total 3-digit number which are divisible by 13. Pardon me once again guys, time's up. Time's too much up. I need to compress the video and then upload it also. Thank you guys so much. There is still this 2 questions remaining. We are going to solve it tomorrow with the today's doubt जो मैंने आज आपको sheets दिए थे. See ya guys. And guys, everybody keeps on saying after the YouTube video ends up, okay, that if you like the channel guys, please do subscribe, please share with your friends, and please do write a comment. No, why don't I say it? Because I just don't like saying it guys. Thank you guys so much. Enjoy, chill, and keep smiling. And remember, always, always, always not to use any harsh word with your mom. She's the best manager in the world, best cook in the world, I think the best personality in the world. So please guys, do respect them, do respect your parents. Please touch their feet, okay? Get the blessings, it's very important. Thank you guys. Enjoy, chill, and keep smiling.